Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on my YouTube channel, I've said this before and I'll say it again. I just try to make things as very easy and very simple as fast as possible. So let's do this, guys. So I always start with the trend of the market, and I don't like doing trends like how everybody does because I don't depend on the trend. The trend is not really what I depend on. I'm a breakout trader. I break out of trend support and resistances. So now we're in the daily time frame, which is very big, but I'm just looking for 2 points in the daily market, which is very important. This is how I start my analysis. I'm just looking for 2 points. I took some trades. So I took some trades, guys. GBP USD. I took GBP USD sells, and I took I think it's jump. Yeah, jump time. I'm actually a forex trader. So these are the two analysis I took. Just wanted to show. So I'm very careful about support and resistances. So this is a support level, and this is the lowest point of the market, which is definitely a resistant level. Now these two levels in particular tells me that when the market gets so let me use this tool. When the market gets above this level, we're looking for buys, and when the market gets below this level, we're looking for sells. But remember, guys, we're in a downtrend in a daily time frame, which is very big. If we go down the trends, you understand? Because this one candlestick is just one day. Imagine this one candlestick is a whole day, 24 hours. So now, if we want to really make the money, we need to make it today and make it as fast as possible. We need to go lower time frames. So from the daily, when I'm done with this analysis, if you want the market gets to this point, it will be a resistance. You understand? Why? Because we stay high on buy low. Now I'm going to the point whereby the market will start resisting. So I have to go and remove, like I have to take my profits because I definitely know the market will start resisting from this point. So let me take out my profits. So it will not, let me take out my profits so that it will not hinder my psychology because I don't have to be thinking about, don't to be thinking about a certain trade. Let me go bulk operations. No, all of them are profitable. I need jump time. Okay, so those are done. So let's go back here because we sell high and we buy low. Now this is a daily time frame, right? So we have to go to an hour time frame. Now on this hourly time frame, come guys, let me go back here so that I'll get this tool to be smaller, yeah, and following me down. So let me go to an hourly time frame. Now if we go to an hourly time frame, you understand that this is what I'm looking for. Step ladder. Now on this hourly time frame, there is also a trend. Now on the trend on an hourly time frame is bullish. I know you guys have heard this thing before, a trend is a trend. Now on this particular time frame that we're about to enter, the trend is bullish. So we're not looking to sell the market, we're looking to actually buy the market. The daily time frame was indicated to us that the market was bearish. But the hourly time frame, because we enter from the small time frame, don't enter from the big. So the lower time frame is telling us that it is actually buying presently, but it will get a certain point to start selling. I'll teach you guys how to know when the market is about to sell. So now this is what I normally look for. I look for step ladders. I call this the step ladders. All these points, all these things you're seeing right now, it's called the step ladder. This is the thing that gives traders edge over the market. These are the entry criteria. So let me teach you guys how to use it. So I pick out the highs of a bullish market and I pick out the lows of a bearish market. So I'll teach you guys how to do it. Now these are all my highs I'm picking out. This is a high. This is a high of a bullish market. This is a high. Please guys, anything you don't know, you can comment down on the comment section and I'll answer you myself. Because as you know, I'm trying to grow this channel as fast as possible and give good content at the same time. I'm sorry I don't have the gadget and the tools to do it. I just came here to be very, very efficient. So I don't want to be wasting anybody's time on something that is easy instead of you wasting money and buying courses. just the easy way to do it. Okay. Now these are all the levels we should be looking out for on the lower time frame. Right. So now this market is telling us this is bullish. So since this is bullish, we'll be looking for more buys. Now we buy low, we sell high. 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 Now it came down here and we're buying low. Now this was where I was before I took out my profits. Let me teach you guys how I entered. Now on hourly time frame, now the market is low. Since I know that the market is low now, I need to go down to a certain time frame like the 5 minutes. Now if I go down to a time frame like the 5 minutes, there's a trend fighting this particular trend, because overall on this market we're in a bullish market in an hourly time frame. We're in a bullish market. So if we are in a bullish market in an hourly time frame, it indicates that sellers do not have power inside of this market. There is no seller that's supposed to be having power inside of this market. It's only bullish. Anybody that is buying that's supposed to be having power inside of this market. So now let me bring this tool. It's kind of hard analyzing alone on your phone. Let me reduce this so I can use this tool. Now let's go back. Please guys, anything you don't understand, comment and I'll reply. Now for me to get this entry, I need to see a break of this particular trend on the 5 minutes, and this is where my entry comes from. A change of structure on this 5 minutes time frame, and I'm buying the market, and I bought the market. That's where I got my profit that I got now. So trading is not supposed to be that hard. I know it's difficult psychologically, but it's very, very easy. Now I told you guys I'm going to show you when it's time for the market starts selling. Every single candlestick now you're seeing, I'm going to delete this.